Hello student. Today I am going to explain a new chapter number 7, Introductions to Internet. So let's start the chapter, okay? We all of us know about the Internet. Internet, popularly known as net. Internet means interconnected network. That is a network of smaller networks with several computers of different types connected to each other. They can pass informations between each other in a fraction of second. Advantage of internet. The major advantage of internet are: it allows people to send message to other people via email. It allows people to chat, converse, debate or discuss issues. It stores all kind of files that people might want to access. It allows people on one computer to connect to a remote computer. It allows people to buy things on the internet and have them delivered at their home. This is known as e-commerce. ISP, Internet Service Provider. A connection to the internet is offered by an internet service provider. ISPs use a web server, which is a computer with high storage capacity and memory. It is connected to other servers installed at different places in the world via satellites. Some of the ISPs in India are Tata Communication Limited, MTNL, BSNL, etc. Modem. A modem is a computer peripherals that allows our computer to connect and communicate with other computer, usually via telephone lines. There are two types of modem available, namely internal modem and external modem. Website. Most of the information stored in the internet is organized as pages in a book. These books are called websites. A website is a set of interconnected web pages located on a same server. The information may be a single or in multiple pages. A website is also called virtual space because it actually is a certain amount of memory space allocated to an organization. Informations about the organization is stored at a specific locations of a computer. Home page. The home page is the first page of the website of any organizations or individual. It is also called the index page as it can have links to other pages. Web browser. A web browser is a special communication program that allows our computer to access, download or view web pages. Some popular web browsers are Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Opera, Google Chrome, etc. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. URL is the address or the locations of a document on the internet. We can go to any website by using its URL. For example, www.hindustantimes.com, www.discovery.com. Search engine. The World Wide Web has millions of pages of information. This makes it extremely difficult to find the information we want without wasting the time. To overcome these problems, many programs have been developed to help the user to search for topics on the internet quickly and easily. They are known as search engines. Some of the popular search engines are Google, Bing and Yahoo Search. Search engine keeps an index of important words called keywords, which is continually added by a special program known as crawler. The crawler runs all over the web collecting keywords from each site. The designer of the site usually chooses words which best his or her sites and put them under the heading keywords.